Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots in fast pickleball rallies? Many paddles focus on power but sacrifice precision, making dinks, drops, and resets harder to execute. If you're looking for elite-level control without losing feel, this paddle might be exactly what you need. Meet the Selkirk Sport LUXX Control Invicta, a premium carbon fiber pickleball paddle designed for maximum control, consistency, and soft touch performance. Infinigrit surface technology, textured carbon fiber face enhances spin for better topspin, slices, and controlled placement. X7 polypropylene core, thick core absorbs impact, delivering softer feel and excellent control on dinks and resets. Invicta elongated shape, extended reach and longer handle, great for two-handed backhands and extra court coverage. Carbon fiber construction, lightweight yet durable for consistent performance. Large sweet spot, forgiving design helps reduce mishits. 4 1/4 inches grip size, comfortable hold for intermediate to advanced players. Control-focused design, ideal for finesse shots, drops, and net play. Pros: exceptional control and soft touch. Great spin potential. Comfortable elongated handle. Premium build quality. Large forgiving sweet spot. Cons: expensive price point. Less raw power compared to power paddles. May feel slightly soft for aggressive hitters. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players. Control-focused players. Dink and drop shot specialists. Doubles players who play at the net. Players who want spin and precision over power. At $279.99, the Selkirk LUXX Control is a premium paddle. It's expensive, but if control, spin, and touch are your priorities, it delivers pro-level performance and long-term value. Number 4. Introducing the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, an affordable, all-around paddle designed for beginners and recreational players who want balanced control and power. Fiberglass hitting surface, adds extra pop and easy power for baseline shots. Polypropylene honeycomb core, reduces vibration and improves control. Graphite frame construction, lightweight and durable for consistent play. Comfort grip, 4 1/4 inches, cushion handle helps reduce hand fatigue. Wide body shape, larger sweet spot for more forgiving hits. Balanced performance, good mix of power, control, and touch. Lightweight feel, easy to maneuver for quick reactions at the net. All skill level design, suitable for beginners through intermediate players. Pros: very affordable price. Large sweet spot for beginners. Lightweight and easy to control. Comfortable grip for longer play. Good balance of power and control. Cons: less spin compared to carbon fiber paddles. Not ideal for advanced competitive play. Fiberglass face may wear faster over time. This paddle is best for beginners learning pickleball. Casual and recreational players. Budget-conscious buyers. Players wanting a lightweight paddle. Intermediate players needing balanced performance. At $49.95, the Head Radical Elite offers excellent value. It's one of the best budget-friendly paddles for beginners, delivering solid performance without spending premium money. Number 3. Introducing the Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power RS2, a high-performance pickleball paddle engineered for explosive power, spin, and advanced level control. Power Air design, aerodynamic throat cutout increases swing speed and power. 360 degrees proto molding, enhances paddle durability and expands the sweet spot. Flex foam perimeter, foam-injected edges improve stability and add power. Hybrid face, carbon fiber plus fiberglass, combines control with explosive pop. Midweight 8.1 ounces, balanced feel for power and maneuverability. S2 shape, standard face with shorter handle for maximum control. Polymer honeycomb core, reduces vibration and improves touch. Spin-friendly surface, helps generate topspin, slices, and aggressive shots. 4¼ inches comfort grip, secure and comfortable during fast rallies. Pros: explosive power with fast swing speed. Large, stable sweet spot. Excellent spin capability. Premium build quality. Good balance of power and control. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range paddles. Control slightly lower than control-focused paddles. May feel too powerful for beginners. This paddle is best for advanced pickleball players, aggressive power hitters, singles players needing speed and reach, players who like fast drives and putaways, competitive tournament-level players. At $206.85, the Selkirk Vanguard Power RS2 sits in the premium category. It's a great value for advanced players who want power, spin, and pro-level construction, but beginners may not need this level of performance. Number 2. Meet the Onix Graphite Mod Z5, a popular wide-body pickleball paddle known for its balanced performance, large sweet spot, and beginner-friendly control. Wide-body shape expands the sweet spot for more forgiving hits. Graphite face, lightweight surface for better touch and control. Onix honeycomb core adds solid pop while maintaining responsiveness. Carbon fiber frame, durable construction with consistent feel. Cushion comfort grip, 4¼ inches, reduces vibration and improves comfort. Balanced weight, 7.5 to 8.2 Oz range, good mix of control and power. Large hitting surface, easier shot placement for beginners. All skill level design, suitable for casual to intermediate play. Quick maneuverability, great for net play and fast reactions. Pros: large forgiving sweet spot. Lightweight and easy to control. Good balance of power and touch. Comfortable grip for long sessions. Great reputation among beginners. Cons: less spin compared to raw carbon paddles. Not as powerful as premium power paddles. Older design compared to newer tech paddles. This paddle is best for beginners learning pickleball, recreational players, intermediate control-focused players, players wanting a wide sweet spot, budget-friendly performance seekers. At $66.06, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 offers excellent value. It's one of the most trusted mid-budget paddles, delivering reliable performance, comfort, and control without stepping into premium price territory. Number 1. Introducing the JOOLA 3S Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, Perseus 14mm, a tournament-ready paddle designed for spin, power, and all-around competitive performance, inspired by pro player Ben Johns. Raw carbon fiber surface generates maximum spin and improved ball control. 14mm performance core, thinner core delivers faster pop and more power. Perseus shape, elongated, extended reach and longer handle for two-handed backhands. UPAA certified, approved for competitive tournament play. Carbon fiber construction, lightweight yet strong for consistent performance. Aero curve design, improves swing speed and maneuverability. Large sweet spot, forgiving feel across the paddle face. Optimized spin texture, helps with topspin drives and slice shots. 4 1/8 inches grip size, smaller grip for better wrist action and control. Multiple shape platform, Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius and Magnus options available. Pros: excellent spin from raw carbon surface. Powerful 14mm pop for aggressive play. Fast swing speed and maneuverability. Pro-level performance design. Comfortable elongated handle. Cons: smaller grip may not suit large hands. Less soft control than thicker 16mm paddles. Premium price for beginners. This paddle is best for intermediate to advanced players. Aggressive topspin hitters. Singles players needing reach. Two-handed backhand users. Competitive tournament players. At $179, the JOOLA 3S Perseus 14mm sits in the upper mid-premium range. It offers pro-level spin, fast power, and tournament-ready construction, making it a strong value for competitive players. Want to check the latest price or availability? Check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more pickleball gear reviews.